we are going to see about arithmetic operator. Every operator have a unique symbol. It is used to perform the particular operations. In arithmetic operator, we see about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So modulus, floor plan. So these are the categories are available in arithmetic operators. We see one by one. First, I take it a variable a is equal to 10 and b variable equal to 2. Now I have plus symbol. So plus symbol used is operators. It will order two operands. So here I take it a plus b. So it will order two values from the ab variable. So 10 plus 2, 12. So we get the output 12. So it produces a 12 value. After we go to subtraction, we use a minus b. So a minus b. So a operand subtract from the b operand. So it will produce a 8. And after we go with multiplication. So multiplication we use asterisk symbol or star symbol. So this is for the multiplication. 10 into 2, 20. So and after go with division operator. So division operator we use in slash a slash b. So it will return the quotient value. So 5.0. And after we go with the modulus operator. So modulus operator will return the remainder value. So print a is a symbol for the modulus b. So it will produce the remainder value for it. So remainder is 0. So and after we go with the exponential. So exponential means power. So print a double star symbol. So b. So a power p. So a is 10. Power is 10 into 2. So 10 into 10 we get the output 100. So and after we go with the floor division. So floor division using double slash symbol. So we get a quotient value for it. So 5. So these are the example for arithmetic operators. So thanks for watching this video.